Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Sucheta and this is my channel Trend Idiom by Sucheta. Today's video is very special and a much demanded one around this time of the year, and this is about a smoky eyeshadow glam look which can be used for Christmas or for New Year's. So I'm going to show you all a tutorial for this look. And this is a very simple look that I've created in about 10 to 15 minutes. All the products that I've used in this video are purchased from Amazon's end of season sale. The sale has started on 23rd of December and it's the best time to stock up all your favorite makeup and skincare products from Amazon because the product quality is so good and it's authentic. So let's get on with this look that I've created. So for foundation, I'm applying this Maybelline New York Super Stay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. It's in the shade of 120 Classic. I'll just show you how the application of a foundation is done. It's a very simple process. So I'm just taking this sponge. What I usually do is I take a little bit of foundation on my on the back of my hand, like this, and I just sort of melt it up with the sponge like this. Oh, and also don't forget to slightly wet the sponge because it helps to apply the foundation better on the face. I'll just take it and start dabbing it. As you can see, the consistency of this foundation is really nice. It's covering up my acne scars and marks really well. I apply it over the eyelids also because then it gives a nice base for the smoky eyeshadow that I'm planning to do. Next, I'm going to take this concealer by Sugar Cosmetics. For the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer, and it's in the shade of 15 Cappuccino. I'm just going to take this and apply it under my eyes to cover up the dark circles, and I apply like a very little quantity of it because it spreads really nicely and I don't want to overdo it. So I just take my finger for this and I dab it again around my eyes. I prefer using a finger because I think that's the best way of doing this. I've tried to do this with a brush, with a sponge, but this is the best way to do it. Now I just want to settle my foundation and my concealer so that it does not crease, and for that purpose I am using this Sugar Powder Play Translucent Compact. Just take the powder and I will just apply it especially under my eye and also all over the face a little bit, but majorly under my eye because my eyes tend to crease a lot if I don't apply this powder. For applying it on the rest of the face, you can take a fluffy brush like this and just dab it in the product and lightly brush your face with it. So now let's head on to do the eyes. I know everyone is really waiting for that part. And as you all know, today we are going to do the smoky eyeshadow glam look. So for the eyeshadow, I'll be using this. It's called the NK Makeup Mocha Mix eyeshadow palette. So now what you want to do is you want to fill your eye crease, this portion, with a slightly medium tone color. I'll be using this one. And blend it nicely in the crease. I usually try to do circular motions with the brush, and I use this fluffy brush because it really blends the product nicely. This sort of gives the eyes a nice depth effect, so I really like to do it like this. So we're going to use a darker shade and I'll be using this shade. So for the smoky eyes, you need to keep in mind that you need to go from outside to inside with a darker shade to a lighter shade, or you can even like put in glitters to create that smoky eye effect. And always go from, you know, putting your brush at the corner so that most of the product is at the corner, and then just like blend it in. After this, I am going in with a glitter eyeshadow, and I'm choosing this one. This I'm taking a flat brush because it helps to sort of stick the glitter on really nicely on the eyes. You just need to do this like halfway, and then we'll just use the other brush to blend it in. And now let's use this brush. Again with the flat brush, I'll take this shade and put some eyeshadow under the eyes because it sort of gives the eyes a depth look, which I really like. So now I'll just take this eye pencil. It's the My Glam Lit Matte Eyeliner Pencil, and the shade is called Mood. If you want to make your eyes look bigger, then you really need to apply a lighter color eye pencil, and if you want to make them look smaller, then you should go with the darker color. Next up is the black eyeliner that I'm going to apply. It's called the My Glam Stay Defined 2-in-1 eyeliner and brow powder combo. So basically one side is the brow powder and the other one is the eyeliner. Finally, so I've been wanting to buy this mascara since a long time, and finally because of the Amazon end of season sale, I've got it at a great discount, that too. It's called the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. It's waterproof as well. Now for the best part of this makeup and the best product that I've found on Amazon, and I've wanted it since a really long time but it wasn't available in India anywhere, and I found it on Amazon, is these glitters. I'm going to give my smoky eyes more of a glam with these glitters. They are in a set of 12 and the brand name is called Vozwa. They have also given me this glitter glue along with it. I'll be using this glitter. We'll take a brush and I'll take this glue and stick it where I want the glitter to be. I've seen many people do this and they sort of do it really nicely. I hope, oh wow. Wow, I really like it. Oh wow. I am stunned because I didn't expect it to look this good. But I'm going to do a bit of it on my inner eye as well and see how this goes. Absolutely love it. So next up is the lipstick that I got from Amazon. It's called the Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink, and it's the shade 135 Globetrotter, and it is a really super long lasting lipstick. I'm also going to give you one tip on how to apply a matte lipstick during winters especially. All you need to do is apply a lip balm first, and you know, so that like all the dryness and chappiness of the lips is gone, and then apply your lipstick, because it really helps to moisturize the lips, and because the lipstick is matte, then it will not cause even more chapped lips. There are a lot of times that buying makeup online is a little scary because you don't know how it will turn out to be on your face in actual. So Amazon has come up with this amazing feature where you can virtually see what lipstick shades would look good on your face, and that is how I have bought this one, and As you can see, it really goes well on my face. So finally, this is how I've created this look, and wasn't this easy? It is a simple glittery smoky eyeshadow look that I've created from my favorite products from Amazon's end of season sale. I just love the fact that their delivery is so quick, and some of the products that I've used, I've received it literally in 1 day's time. So yeah, you can like buy whatever you want for Christmas or for New Year's, and I'm sure you'll get it in a timely manner. I have also mentioned all the products that I have used in the description below, along with the links to the website you can buy them from. I really hope that you liked the video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much. Bye.